mga kasama mo, no? Lakas baka bagets. No, what's striking to me sa sinabi ni attorney kanina, no, when yung kanyang opening remarks about how it all started, how this concert was conceptualized or something like that. But I wanted to ask you, kasi hindi ko natanong kanina backstage, is why did you have to do this? Separate na yung, alisin mo na yung convincing ng friends, producers, for our family members, but more for yourself, why did you have to do this? Pwede namang hindi na, pwede na lang quiet moment na lang, quiet celebration and all that. Pero ikaw mismo, why did you have to do this?
Well, first of all, kasi this is going to be my first time again to do a concert, a solo concert. I think the last solo concert that I did was, oh my gosh, several years ago. And ito lang yung time na ma-prove ko sa sarili ko, I think, na kaya ko pa. Especially after what happened to me in 2020. So I guess this is going to be a testament for me also that even in my current situation and sa ganitong edad, I still can do it and I can still offer people the kind of music that they expect from me. Bakit nga naman hindi? At saka bakit naman hindi? Bakit hindi naman na, bakit hindi na gawin ko ito ulit?
So parang that was kind of a loaded answer, ah?
A what?
A loaded answer. Kasi parang you're saying na may doubts in your mind if you can still do it.
Yun yung dati nga, di ba, katulad na sinabi ni attorney kanina na, yes, I'm going to admit that kaya ko pa ba? Diba, kaya ko pa ba? And kasi nga, given the situation ngayon, medical situation ko, kakayanin ko ba nga ba? Diba? But if I'm not going to do it, I won't be able to know. Diba? I won't be able to find out. Diba? The only way to find out is to do it.
Right. And kanina nakausap ko si our musical director, si Mama, na yun yung direction na gusto mo, yung the new ones, the young singers. Hindi yung your usual friends, the Garys, the Martins, the Regines. Pero kasama mo ngayon yung new blood. Bakit yun yung direction na gusto mo?
Because unang-una, because also I wanted to reach out to the generation now. That's, as they call it, the generation.
Z.
At saka ano? Yung mga millennials. Yeah, yung mga millennials.
Pero lahat pa sila millennials? Lahat pa na nasa table?
Yeah,
Millennials.
millennials.
Oh,
Walang Z. Walang Z. Millennials sila lahat.
Wow. So, yun, isang way din yun, yes. At saka why na, I mean, itong mga ito ay napaka talented itong mga to. You should have seen si Shaila nung sa Delia D. Oh my goodness. May mga sarili-sarili silang mga vlogs. May mga sariling mga channels. And you should see their performances sa kanilang mga channels. Nakakatawa. Talagang nakakatawa sila. So, gusto ko mabilong. Wow! Gusto ko mabilong sa kanila. Hindi, talaga so totoo lang, itong Ben and Ben, nung time na nakikita ko pa lang sila, mga performances nila sa YouTube, sabi ko, oh my gosh, itong mga batang to, ibang klase yung music, ibang klase yung mga na nakikreate nila na music, na parang pwede siyang, kasi ang ano ko sa kanila, seals and
Croft.
Parang ganon. Pero tunog ngayon. Hindi ko ma-explain, pero parang iba yung nararamdaman ko nung nadinig ko yung mga kanta nila. And then I tried to introduce it na to Papa Rose, to my husband. Sabi ko, pakinggan mo to. ayun, hanggang sa sabi ko, oh my gosh, sana darating yung isang araw na makakasama ko sila. At ito na nga yun. Thank you.
On the spot, last na lang for me, on the spot, your favorite Ben and Ben song?
Lives.
Pwede yung sumample lang.
Ikaw rin na kailangan
Hindi ikaw.
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics eh. Huwag naiyak ako kasi yun yung nilagay ko sa nanay ko.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, MJ, Felipe from ABS-CBN. Nararamdaman ko, may tanong si Candice Quaresma from Push.com.
Wow.
Ramdam na ramdam ko kanina yun.
Damdaman lang pala ito.
Good afternoon po. To Ben and Ben, if you were to write a song for Miss Lani, kasi nga, di ba kanina favorite, sabi na favorite niya Leaves, ano yung pwedeng nasa top of mind niyo na mga, kahit isang stanza lang or topic sa tungkol kay Miss Lani? Pwedeng existing song, pwedeng gusto mo.
Like a theme of a song. Parang, well, just like what the message of this concert is also about. I think it would be great to write a song about resilience and about when you feel like when you feel the doubt that you've given your last, hindi pa yun, and kaya mo pa. So parang, yun yung magandang tema. Kasi, yun yung story. Yun yung mismo, and not, she didn't just tell that story, she lived through it. So, I think that would be a nice theme of the song.
Yung title pag Anything is Possible.
Ay, ganun yan. Anything is possible.
Anything is possible.
Tapos, question lang po. Actually, meron akong tanong nung isang araw. Kung sino yung mas magaling magsulat? Si ChatGPT o kayo? Yung sarili nyo. So, in terms of songwriting, or do you get help? Halimbawa, when you compose a song, you write songs. Meron ba, sometimes ba, may tulong from
Technology.
AI or technology? To Ben and Ben.
You know what? I've watched a lot of videos about AI in music. And ang nadadak ko, since AI gets their learnings from real musicians, magaling ang AI kasi magaling magsulat ang totoong tao.
Perfect.
But also to answer the question directly, unfortunately, we
don't.
haven't used, well actually, baka unfortunately, we haven't used AI to write songs, or at least to help write songs. But, not to say na, I think there's a lot of talk about it, it's honestly a very controversial topic, especially in terms of art. And I think what I've been hearing around, which is personally the most acceptable thing, is it's a great tool, but it will never replace the ability of humans to write. Because writing comes from real experiences, and only humans can go through that. So,
Ganda nun.
Tapos last na lang po. Kung Miss Lani naman, Miss Lani sabi niyo kanina, nag-age na kayo. Pero in terms of physically, hindi naman masyado. In terms of what? Nag-age na kayo. Pero physically, hindi pa po. Parang magkakamukha lang po kayo ng mga katabi niyo. Anyways po, paano po kayo nag-keep up with the times? In terms of, nagtitiktok din ba kayo? Or nagpo-post ba kayo regularly ng mga OOTD and mga
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, I have TikTok, I have the X, former Twitter, I have IG, I have Facebook. Pero hindi ako ganun ka-consistent na nagpo-post. Kasi, I don't know, especially sa TikTok, yung parang hindi ko makita yung sarili ko na nagsasasayaw sa harap ng, I don't know. sa TikTok, I use it for, you know, promoting something, or whenever I need to let the public know something's going on in my life. Yun lang siguro the time na nagpo-post ako. Pero yung, try na natin kung sumayaw sa yeah. Hindi, sa totoo lang, hindi ako, yun nga, but honestly, of course, social media is a great tool for us artists to, you know, to bring out our whatever events that's going on in our life. So it's a great tool, honestly. It's just like what I said, yung AI, di ba? Talagang malaking tulong siya, especially pag, you know, where you're trying to compose I don't know, a letter, or you need to have your grammar edited. So it's a great help. Yun nga. So, yeah, I'll try to be more, siguro sa aking mga social media. Siguro mamaya, gagawa na kami ng dance move.
Thank you po. We are looking